We're gonna have some baby chicks here very soon, sweetheart. What do you think, Yeah. You want me to leave you alone? Okay, I will do that. I love you. You're such a good girl, too. Have a good day. It's getting close. Something is happening. What do you think? You want to show everybody what's going on? Yeah? Let's go show what's going on. So I went ahead and took the box out because it was kind of hard. I hear it chipping. So hopefully we have some baby chicks here very soon. Today is day 20. So I'm excited. You're gonna be a mama, baby girl. You're gonna be a mama. Yes, you are. You're doing such a good job. Yes, you are. You're doing such a good job. Yes, you're doing a good job. I'll leave you alone. Love you. Isn't that kind of cool? Moths. And I got 17 tomato plants, all different kinds, so I should be good on tomatoes. And this is kale. And my carrots are coming up here. Onions are doing good. Beach coming up. It's looking good in this bed too. Check it out, my garlic is doing real good too. Very excited about this. Last year didn't go well either on that. It just all died on me. Probably where they were at, it was too wet. But yeah, they're coming up. Super excited. We'll see how I do on the cabbage this year. And I got movement on my carrots. Check it out. Itty bitty. But they're coming up. I'm super excited on that. Should have a good harvest on carrots this year. And I went ahead and tilled up all these areas up here. I'll be planting some more things in my flowers. My wildflowers are coming up too. So, and I'm smelling a skunk. Lovely. But I got all those tilled up here too. But I'm not going to put anything down until I get my netting. I went ahead and ordered another netting. And I'm going to put that around my garden to keep the dogs and cats out. And my corn's coming up. What a beautiful sight. I'm going to have to thin some of those out, but yes, I'm really excited. What do you think, Duke? You gonna have some babies here soon, Bubby? I hear him chirping. Yeah, you're just gonna walk away. Brownie, what you doing, girlfriend? Looking for some grub? You're gonna have some babies, Duke. You're gonna be a daddy. You're gonna be a daddy. Yes, you are. He don't care. Here are my wildflowers down here with the haze. Check out my sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Somebody was digging right there. That ain't going to help it. But there's a couple of them. There you go. Maybe there's something going on here. I don't know if it's grass or there might be something right there. Maybe something right there. Right there. We'll see. Other sunflowers are coming up too, and I got new ones coming up too. I'm so excited about that. It's happening. The garden's growing. Hopefully I'll have some baby chicks here very soon. What a blessing. All resting. Nice cool day. So those the bogs, grazing bogs, I put that deer feed in there. I don't know if this was going to work, but you can tell the leaves are really not able to come out of there. I mean, they can pull them out, but I might have to rethink that and just get a different kind of seed to put in here. And I'm just going to reopen that one and move to somewhere else. So I'll keep an eye on it though. Or whatever, this kind of grassy stuff. It is coming out right here, so they can actually get to it. Right here. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. What do y'all think? Should I go ahead and put it somewhere else and restart again? Let me know. Leave a comment. Hi, Snow. Hi, Snow. What are you doing, baby girl? You'll have babies here very soon. Yes. You want to say hi? Say hi to everybody have a blessed day. I also put some seeds in the containers. Some flowers. And look, they're all popping up. I love seeing things grow. Brings such a joy. There's a full one right there. My containers start coming up. You can see that right there. And I had to move my planter back here because it did not get enough sun, but seeds are coming up. Some are sooner than others. These are my zinnias right here. They're looking good. And added some hanging plants and some hanging basket to add some more flowers to it. So to make it more inviting, and my new umbrella. Moved my table back here, so make it a little bit cozy to enjoy the backyard just a little bit more, so then I can watch my chickens and keep an eye on my garden. My front bed area all cleaned up. I'll get some more paper and some mulch, and I'm ready on this one. And my iris are coming up on this over here too, so enjoy those every time I see them bloom. And my bleeding heart bush, I got a couple of them. I love those. I always loved them when I was little. And all my hostas are doing really good. I just kind of not too long ago I found out actually you can't eat the hostas when they're all rolled up. Still before they come out, come apart, you actually can't eat those. How crazy is that? Well, you have to fry them first. And no wonder the deer like to eat them. So got the front porch cleaned up. I just got to power wash it. Some planters I'm gonna rechange, and got me some more flowers to put in my container. A couple of dahlias and some other ones. Pretty fern. And I added a few more plants in here. I got ahead and got me citronella and some marigolds in here and some of those. But all these right here are doing great. And same here. A couple more and added more color to that. But they're all doing good. Kind of still looks a little sad, but they are doing good though. I got the fencing up, but I have a problem. And the problem is it did not cover all this part of this area right there. So it went, I managed to make it line up with the other fence back there, but around the corner there's no fencing around. That means either I'm going to plant something that does not entice the cats and dogs as much, and then whatever I grow in there, that's something more fragile for the cats to tear up and the dogs. So I'm gonna have to do some thinking. I may go ahead, I'm not 100% sure, maybe look in for maybe getting another netting. But for right now, this will at least keep them out of my boxes, and I can take my little covers off and my other extra tomato plant climbers. So hopefully this will work and my garden can grow without interruption with the cats and dogs. Oh, baby. And you come here. Come here. He got into a big fight the other day, probably with another squirrel. Got a big old gash on his on the side of his face. You see it? What's he doing, bud? Yeah. Alrighty, well, like I said, at least this will keep them out of my boxes. So, just at least that's something. So I'll put Dolly by herself in this small coop. The other chickens are being too rough on her and the rooster, so I went ahead and put her in there. She's having a hard time breathing, so I don't know. I don't think so. She's gonna be with us much longer. But I just don't want her to be all stressed out by the others, and make as comfortable as possibly I can. So if it's good by worse by Monday, I'm gonna take her to the vet and let her go, unless something happens before then. Having chickens is great, but you know that one day it's going to come, you're going to lose them, and that's never easy. I'm going to miss that girl. And moved the box cover away, and look at them. They are having a feast right here. They're really liking it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a different place, put more seeds in, and I'm going to let them grow another patch. And I'm afraid I'm getting another Miss Broody right there. She has been sitting on the nesting box all day long. But look at them. They're really liking this. Look! Hello! Hello, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi there. Oh my. Look at you, sweet darlings. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello, sweet babies. Hi. Oh, we got a grosbeak baby. That's a grosbeak baby right there. But that's okay. Hi. You must be my Americana baby. You must be my Americana baby. Yeah. Hi there. Come here. Let me see you walking. Let me see you walking. Looking good. Two more to... Oh my God, you're so precious, sweet girl. You did so good. You did so good, Mommy. You did so good, Mommy. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful evening gift from God. What a blessing.